Onto the Schlegel notes part 2. We need to be really clear on something. And so again, I've mentioned this multiple times in multiple videos and in our live meetings. Numbers in this class mean something. We are always going to be describing what the number is telling us. We're going to be saying, here's what we should do based on that number. And so it's going to be important for us to understand that slope is the rate at which something is changing. Another way to think of that is how much for one more. And so you can see in my notes here that I've written, slope tells us how much for one more. The word slope is also used interchangeably with the word marginal. They both mean the exact same thing. Marginal also means how much for one more. So as we go through the course and you hear things like, what's the marginal cost? What's the marginal profit? What's the marginal revenue? It's how much does one more cost? How much money will I make if I sell one more? Those sort of things. And so anytime you see slope or you see marginal in your mind in this course, you need to be thinking how much for one more. The example we have here this morning, everyone, is that if we have an equation representing how much it costs to rent a car from some company, and I just made this up, it would be represented by the equation y equals 25x plus 100. And if I was to put it in a table there, for 1 day it would cost 125, for 2 days would be 150, for 3 days would be 175, and so on. The slope, or the marginal cost of renting the car, it increases by $25 each day. So we would say that the marginal cost, or the slope, for renting this car is 25. So again, $25 for one more day. And that would be the marginal cost of renting this car. That's it for this one. On to the next.